Actually, you don't need any antivirus. Most Windows 10 computer come with Windows Defender installed and running on the background. It keeps the vast majority of virus or malware from even having a chance to infect your PC. Still, if you have an antivirus, if you paid for an antivirus, that is a great advantage. But Windows 10 have Windows Defender that will work great for you. So let's learn how to scan your PC with Windows Defender. Most of the time Windows Defender will neutralize the virus before even become a problem. So let's open. So first thing you need to go to start button. You just need to click, then you just need to go to setting here. In here you find a option called update and security. You press update and security. Okay, then you will find another option called Windows Update. You click over that. Then if you go for Windows Security over here, click over that. So here my Windows is saying open Windows Security. So here you can click over that. In the screen, if I maximize it, you see virus and threat protection, firewall protection and all. So you go to virus and threat protection. In here I have a antivirus available with me. If you don't have any antivirus, then you will get Windows Defender option available over here. So if I click here Windows Defender antivirus option, you can enable it periodic scanning. Okay, after enabling this, I get a option like this: scan option allowed, threat protection history, virus threat protection setting and all. If I go for scan option, here you can see that I am getting plenty of scan option. One is quick scan, full scan, custom scan, Windows Defender, offline scan. So as per your requirement, quick scan is a very fast scan. Custom scan means whatever portion you want, you can do a scan over there. The point of an offline scan is that your PC does not need to be fully booted into Windows. If there is a problem with system file or file that cannot be quarantined or deleted while the system is running, it can do in offline mode itself. So for that, it's offline scan. You can also run a full scan which will check every file on the device as well. However, this will take quite long time depending on the speed of the machine. So after choosing any of the option, let's say I'm choosing quick scan, you can choose as per your requirement, then you can press scan now button. As before, check the protection history page to see any threat were uncovered or not. That you can do by pressing it over here. So after a scan, you will get if your PC is infected or not. And this is a quick free method. If you don't have antivirus, you can use Windows Defender in order to scan. If you like this video, you can check out my other videos. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.